what we're going to talk about today, really quickly, is I'm going to share with you some really simple ways to stay on top of social media trends. Now, this does not mean that you need to jump on every single social media trend because they're not always for you, right? But they are available. There are always new things happening. In fact, I don't know if you know this one, but there are now newer changes to the FB platform, the one that you're on right now. So if you haven't noticed yet, you may need to update your app, or maybe it just hasn't hit your specific Facebook account just yet, but you now will have three different feeds inside of the platform. One which shows your favorites, your friends, family, that sort of thing. Another one for pages, and I believe another one for groups. So more changes happening, right? As we speak, like literally right now. If you are brand new to either my personal profile or Hype Media or Stylishly Branded, I want to welcome you and personally say hello. My name is Gina Tassinelli, and we are, as an agency, but also as myself as a social media marketing coach and personal brand coach, we work with small businesses, experts, established entrepreneurs to help you ignite your influence on social media so that you can connect with your ideal clients and make more sales. Bottom line, that's what we do. We do this on a done for you level as well as a done with you level inside of my upcoming new session. I'm so excited for this one, the Ignite Your Influence Incubator, which is new session starts now in September. So we're taking applications for that. So, how do I stay on top of social media trends? Everyone asks me this quite often. Number one, realize that this is what I do. I live, eat, breathe, sleep social media. It's what my clients, my private clients, and even my coaching clients expect me to do because this is what I do for a living. So, give yourself some grace if you are not a social media marketing expert and you're not on top of all of the social media trends. You're really not supposed to be. I mean, it's not really your job. That's why there's people like myself that companies hire on an agency scale or even as a coach to help you with that. But if you're looking for some ways to stay on top of the trends on your own, here are some really, really simple tips. Okay. So, one of my favorite places to go to, and I'm going to share a few with you, but one of my favorite ones that I want to mention right away is the Social Media Examiner. So, if you have never been on Social Media Examiner, you go to socialmediaexaminer.com. I am telling you, it is full of information for for you, even if you are not a social media expert. Okay, it will definitely help you stay in the know. Another one is Social Media Today is a really great one to stay on top of. And so you can subscribe to these newsletters that they send out for both of those platforms or resources, and they are a great place to start. Also, get in on subscribing to Facebook business news as well as Instagram business because they put out all the time all of the changes that they are doing and any new assets, features, things like that that are coming to the platform. And another one is keep following along here because that's what I share with you. Okay. So every time I'm coming on here for an Ignite Your Influence marketing session, it's to keep you up to date with what's working, what's not working, new features that are happening on the platforms, like the one I just mentioned about Facebook. So, yeah, I'd love to know if you have seen or noticed any new feeds on your platform itself, on your app itself. Second one is subscribe and download podcasts. So, Social Media Today has a podcast. It's really awesome. Um, and there's tons of other one. I know other ones like Digital Marketer is another great one to subscribe to and to listen to. And so those are actually both of my favorites as far as podcasts related to social media and updates and just staying up on top of those trends. Third is YouTube. So go to YouTube and check out Social Media Examiner. Social Media Agency is another one. Mashable is another really good, okay? Number 4 is follow certain people on Twitter. So, and not just on Twitter, but also on Facebook and Instagram. But one of my favorites is Jeff Bullis. He's got a really great blog as well that you can follow and always learn tons of stuff from. And then number 5, hang out with social media savvy friends and experts like myself. Okay. You want to get in, or at least have somebody on your team if you have an assistant or a virtual assistant or a social media marketing manager as well that's not super experienced and maybe just getting off, getting into the social media world. You want to make sure that they are plugging themselves into the right networks of people and these resources. See you guys later. Bye.